Check it out. I set the center stone citrine. It's beautiful setting. I set the center stone amethyst. Awesome halo design. Sterling silver. A friend that I'm working with had this stock wire, gold wire, and he had these mountings, and then he had some loose stones, so told him we should make some rings with them. It's a blue zircon. See the head on that thing, the setting is white gold, which is cool because it shows that it's handmade. Beautiful amethyst ring. Topaz, 14 karat gold. Blue zircon. Look at that thing. Set it a little lower so that it's kind of lower profile. Beautiful garnet. Awesome garnet. Yellow gold band, white gold head. Mounting. Lady that I know from the honeybee store next to us has these broken earrings, and she didn't like the way it just fit in there. She asked for more of a French hook design, so I made it like this for her to test out and to wear around. So it connects like that, and I'm gonna give her this one to wear around for a little while and see if that style works out for her. Another lady has these antique gold and amethyst earrings from her grandmother. And I'm going to fix that post on that one. That's easy, but this doesn't have the lever back. See, the lever back is missing. And you have to rivet that on. So you have to buy a new lever back and rivet that baby on there. You can't solder it on because there's a tiny little spring inside there. Flip, flip, spring. It's cool. And then check this out. This thing rules. Look at this rattlesnake ring. Look how incredibly awesome this thing is. Look at the inside of it. This thing is so awesome. I cast this myself. This is sterling silver. We scored on the design. A friend of his had this wax design, and I was like, what is up with this design, dude? Can I please cast this and then make a mold of it? So this is, I soldered this on myself. That's a brass, thick piece of wire. And so that I can make a silicone mold of it so that this can be a production piece. And then we can cast it in sterling, yellow gold, platinum, whatever you want. It'd look cool in rose gold. And also, you'll see here, when I finish this up, I'm going to oxidize the inside of the scales black. Really cool design.